Cookery for Senior High School. Prepare appetizers. Learning outcome number 1.2. Our topic is perform Mise'En plus. Mise'En plus, a French term which means to set in place. That is, you have everything ready to cook and in its place. These are advanced preparation that you need to perform and able to save time. You should be able to identify and prepare all the needed tools and equipment as well as the ingredients to make the preparation and cooking easy. The following are the tools and equipment needed in preparing appetizers. First is the bowl cutter. It is a sharp-edged scoop for cutting out balls of fruits and vegetables. Here are some examples of fruits prepared using a bowl cutter. Next is the zester. It is used to remove zest or citrus peels in thin strips. What is zesting? It is removing the very outer layer of skin from a citrus fruit, like a lemon. Zest is a great way to add extra flavor to cooking and extra aroma to food and drink presentation. Chanel knife. It is a small hand tool used in making garnishes. Another tool is the spatula. It is used for manipulating foods like spreading. Rubber scraper. It is used to scrape off contents of bowls. Wire whip or wire whisk. It is used for mixing thinner liquids. French knife. It is used for chopping, slicing, and dicing. Paring knife. Used for trimmings and paring fruits and vegetables. Butter curler. Used for making butter curls. Cutting boards are wooden or plastic board where meat, fruits, and vegetables are cut. Kitchen shear. Cutting device for ingredients. It is like a scissor. Potato masher. It is designed to press potato and other cooked vegetables. Chiller. For keeping cold foods chilled for service. Oven. An enclosed compartment as in a kitchen range for baking, cooking, and heating food. Other tools and equipment in preparing appetizers. First is the measuring spoon. It is used for measuring dry and liquid ingredients in small quantity. Next is the measuring cup, used to measure dry ingredients. Glass measuring cup. It is used for measuring liquid ingredients like water and oil. Mixing bowls. These containers have smooth, rounded interior surfaces with no creases to retain some mixture. Mixing spoon. It is used for mixing ingredients. It is made of wood in different sizes and different length of the handle. It is also known as wooden spoon. Fork. It is used to combine ingredients. Container of different sizes and shapes. Cooking range, stove, refrigerator, strainer, and colanders are other tools and equipment used in preparing appetizers. Can you compare the difference of French knife and paring knife? Can you name the tools and equipment needed in preparing appetizers? You can also pick one tool and explain its use. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.